Meaning of dependent.
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 Dependent. Dependent is a term used to describe someone who relies on another person for financial, emotional, or physical support. It refers to a person who is unable to support themselves, such as a child or an elderly person. Dependents are often included in policies or agreements such as insurance, taxes, or legal contracts. Being a dependent can imply a certain level of vulnerability and dependence on others, but it is also a necessary aspect of many family and social structures that require support and care for those who cannot provide for themselves.